This is the connector for the door antennas. See, that's the front, this is the back. One is yellow and two is blue. You want to make sure you have it facing this way. Then you enter it in, slides right in. Same thing with blue, make sure it's that way. And after you do that, you want to face it towards you so you could see that you're pushing it all the way, and you'll be able to see the terminal go in. So I had a little trouble going in. There it goes, straight. Hear them locking in place, and you'll be able to see them click all the way to the front. Now if you have trouble or you want to remove them, after you, well, first you gotta actually lock the white tab down, and they're locked in place, perfect. Now if you want to reverse it, you won't have to take this off. Make sure you get a pick, and you're gonna need an even smaller pick, and there's a black tab back here. You want to pull it up and leave that there, and you'll be able to pull the wire out, but it's gonna take a little bit, especially there you go. Took one out, and same with the other one. And there, that's the connector for the door handle.